Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Product Review Top 5, introducing the top 5 best electric stand food mixers. In the world of culinary delights, a reliable and efficient stand mixer is an essential tool for both professional chefs and home bakers alike. These versatile kitchen appliances can effortlessly whip up batters, knead dough, and mix ingredients, making your cooking and baking endeavors a breeze. With numerous options available on the market, it's crucial to find the perfect electric stand mixer that suits your needs. We've done the research to compile a list of the top 5 electric stand food mixers, each offering a unique set of features, power, and performance. Whether you're a passionate pastry chef, a devoted home baker, or simply someone who loves experimenting in the kitchen, our top picks will help you discover the ideal companion for your culinary adventures. Let's dive in and explore the best electric stand food mixers that will elevate your cooking and baking experiences to new heights. Number 5. Biolomix BM601 Electric Stand Food Mixer. The 1200W motor of this stand mixer is a powerhouse. It effortlessly tackles even the toughest mixing tasks. From kneading thick bread dough to whipping up delicate meringues, it does it all without breaking a sweat. With 6 speed settings, this mixer offers excellent control over your mixing tasks. Whether you're gently folding in ingredients or beating at high speed, the BM601 provides precise adjustments for every recipe. The 6L stainless steel mixing bowl is roomy enough to accommodate large batches of dough, batters, or frosting. This capacity is perfect for those who love to bake or cook for a crowd. The included dough hook, flat beater, wire whip, and mixing bowl cover a wide range of culinary needs. The attachments are easy to switch, making it a breeze to transition between tasks. Number 4. Bear SC205A Electric Stand Food Mixer. The Bear SC205A boasts an impressive 1200W motor, making it one of the most powerful stand mixers in its category. Whether you're whipping up delicate meringues or kneading heavy bread dough, this mixer handles the task with ease. The 6 speed settings provide the versatility needed for a wide range of recipes. The mixer's stainless steel housing and mixing bowl not only look sleek, but also add to the appliance's durability. It feels robust and well-built, ensuring it can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen. With a 5-liter mixing bowl, the Bear SC205A can easily accommodate large batches of your favorite recipes. This is particularly convenient when you're entertaining or preparing meals for a larger group. The Bear SC205A features a tilt-head design, which makes it effortless to access the bowl and attachments. The beater ejector button simplifies attachment changes, and the clear, concise controls make it a breeze to operate. Number 3. Zuccie SM1505HL Electric Stand Food Mixer. The 1500W motor of this mixer means business. It effortlessly handles even the toughest mixing tasks. Whether you're whipping up a batch of light and fluffy whipped cream or tackling dense bread dough, this mixer is up to the task. The spacious 6.5L mixing bowl made of 304 food-grade stainless steel is perfect for preparing large quantities of ingredients. It's easy to clean, and its generous capacity is a real time saver when preparing big family meals or multiple batches of baked goods. The Bear Zuccie SM1505HL comes with a range of fantastic features that make it a joy to use. The 6-speed options give you precise control over your mixing tasks, ensuring your recipes turn out just the way you want. The LCD display touch timer is a handy addition for keeping track of your mixing time. No more guesswork, it's all right there on the screen. Number 2. XEOLEO HXB07 Electric Stand Food Mixer. The 380W motor of the XEOLEO HXB07 is a true workhorse. It effortlessly handles even the toughest mixing tasks, making it perfect for bakers and home chefs alike. Whether you're kneading a dense bread dough or whipping up a fluffy cake batter, this mixer can handle it all with ease. With 10 different speed settings, this mixer provides an incredible level of control over your mixing process. It allows you to fine-tune the speed to achieve the perfect consistency for your recipes. From a gentle stir to a high-speed whip, you can adapt to the needs of any recipe. The 7L stainless steel mixing bowl is not only spacious, but also of high quality. It's easy to clean and feels sturdy. You can prepare large batches of dough, batter, or any other mixture without worrying about spillage. The XEOLEO HXB07 features a robust build with a plastic housing that feels solid and durable. It's designed to withstand the rigors of frequent use and last for years in your kitchen. Number 1. XEOLEO LFB5 Electric Stand Food Mixer. The XEOLEO LFB5 boasts an impressive 1000W motor, and it shows in its performance. With 3 speed settings, low, medium, and high, this mixer handles a variety of tasks with ease. From gently folding in ingredients to kneading heavy dough, it does it all effortlessly. The high-speed setting at 636 RPM min is fantastic for whipping and aerating, while the low speed at 218 RPM min is perfect for delicate tasks. The medium speed at 388 RPM min strikes a great balance between the two. The mixer's metal housing exudes durability and sturdiness. It feels like it can withstand years of use. The stainless steel mixing bowl not only looks sleek, but is also easy to clean and resist stains. The included accessories, including the dough hook, flat beater, and wire whip, are of excellent quality and enhance the mixer's versatility. One standout feature of the XEOLEO LFB5 is its bowl lift design. This design is not only practical but also space-saving. It allows for better access to the bowl and attachments, making it easier to add ingredients and scrape the sides while the mixer is running. The 5L mixing bowl is generously sized and perfect for preparing large batches of dough or batter. Thanks for watching this video.